Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can replace a section in Suno AI. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com. We're all logged in, and what we're looking for can be found over here on the left-hand side. If we hit on create, then if you're working on specific songs, you could find them over here. You can also use your workspaces. You could find your different workspaces here. So we'll come here, and what we want to do is we want to replace a section. So here we have all our different songs. On the right-hand side, we have the remix option. We've also got these three little dots. If you go to the three little dots, you'll see that we also have the remix option here as well. But what we want to do is come down here to where it says edit, and then you could see here where it says replace section. So we're going to click on that. And here you can see that it is targeting this specific section. If we want to find a specific section, then we can toggle, we can move the bar here to try to find exactly what we want to replace, dial that in. You can see here we've got the option, and then all you have to do is just click on create right here. But if you do have perhaps some additional lyrics or something like that, then you can do that as well. But let's just go ahead and click on create. And here you can see that we are now recreating those specific sections. This is going to take a moment to finish. So let's go ahead and just let that think. And once that's done thinking, if you hover over the song itself, then now you're going to see this option here where it says get full song. So all you have to do is just click on that, and what it'll do is it'll integrate the replacement into the entire song, and that will begin to generate here. It'll show up just like any of these others, and you can do what you want from there. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our promo code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link and you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.